fridge. So now open up the herb one. Let's go a little tab on here. Got salt somewhere.
We've got about 1.5 sticks of melted butter into the squeeze bottle, and we're opening up the fresh herb in a tube, and the fresh garlic in a tube, right?
Yeah, this is just the gourmet garden. You'll find it in any grocery store in the Delhi area. For this application, it's just fine. You know, if I want to do something fancier, I'll do fresh stuff. So put a couple glops of that in there. Did you see said glops?
I glopped it.
Okay. Same thing with the garlic. Glop, 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 glop. We're going to take our salt. Can't see. You want this salty. That's probably
Now, you know I'm old and I've got hardy arteries. I shouldn't be eating much salt.
Well, then you'll be all right. Oh, die happy.
Okay.
Put the lid on. Shake. Now I have your basic. So what do we use this for? Well, cheeseburgers. I squirt that on the flat top. Yeah, you can cook a cheeseburger if you want. So make it taste good. It's garlic herb. But if I got my shrimp, squirt some of it on the flat top, put my shrimp down in it, get that good sizzle going. Then when I flip the shrimp, squirt just a little bit more, because you're gonna cook some of that off. Take your Chardonnay, splash it with some Chardonnay, put that steamer lid on top of it, so it steams out the rest of the way. Now I got shrimp scampi. Which is shrimp sauteed with what? Garlic herb butter, with some wine.
Which will make your mom very happy.
Which will make mom very happy. Now this is your basic butter. This is your universal. So when you're gonna do your cheese steaks, you put your caramelized onion and your green peppers and whatever you want on it. You squirt just a little bit of that down first and put the vegetables on top of that butter. So you get that sizzle. Okay. Basically all you're doing is just creating a tasty lubricant between the food product and the steel. So it doesn't sit there and stick to it. So if you're gonna cook fish, like a fillet of fish on the flat top, I would probably use this.
So this goes back into the refrigerator then for future use.
What?
The herbs
Yeah,
and the
those
garlic.
do. Now where's the other squeeze bottle?
Well, I just put it away.